Hey guys, it's Brooke with Re-Fabbed, and I am back again. I have some of these little foam, they say floral foam. I thought they were like little Christmas trees back at Christmas time, and I bought some. And I got them from the Dollar Tree. And I had a couple left over in my craft stash, and when I was looking through everything, I'm like, okay, I need to do something with these, and that looks like a dang good carrot. So we're gonna make a carrot today out of this floral foam tree, whatever, I don't even know. That's what we're gonna do though. And like I said, I have not done this. This is just all in my head. So what we're using is this foam piece from the Dollar Tree, and then I got this yarn from Michael's craft store. And then I pulled these from some of my floral stems, because I've got so many floral stems, and these are literally like everywhere. So I'm like, this will be perfect for the top of the carrot. Okay, so we're gonna use these two. I got some pins just to kind of stick some things in. Got my hot glue gun plugged in. It feels like it's getting hot, so we'll get started. I am praying my phone don't die. Y'all be sure to share this with your friends, because I think it's going to be cute, hopefully. Okay, so I'm going to get my cordless glue gun out, which I love, and I've shared the link with y'all before, and I can share it again. And I'm going to put a dab right here on the bottom of hot glue to start my yarn. And I'm just going to literally lay it down on here. Be very careful not to burn my fingers, and then start wrapping it in a circular motion, just like this. And then if it works, let's just hope it works, okay? And then I'm just going to keep wrapping it. This may be the ugliest carrot in the history of ugly carrots. I don't know, guys. We're just gonna try, and I'm just gonna dab just a teeny bit of hot glue as I go here and there, just so that kind of stays in place a little bit. Hopefully it's cute. Whoops, just putting it back on the stand and kind of fell. Okay, so here we go. For some reason I had a little small piece of yarn. I didn't mean to use that one, but we'll just keep going with it and just kind of glue it right here, so when it stops, then we can start back. Okay. Thank you for sharing this video. I think it's going to turn out really cute. Right now we're just wrapping the yarn around my floral tree. I said floral tree, that's not what it's called. Whatever this is, foam tree, floral thingy, majigger. Okay. Okay, see how I'm just wrapping this, and look, it's not gonna be perfect, but it's homemade and it's fun, so that's all we're trying to do here, is have fun. Trying to make sure that that it's staying tight, because one thing I don't want is to be able to see the white. Is this looking like a carrot to y'all? Yeah, styrofoam cone is a good way to put it. That's right. We're almost to the bottom of this carrot, okay? I'm just gonna keep on keeping on till it gets completely wrapped. Praying my phone don't die. And my phone's been like, man, I can't keep up. Okay, I'm gonna have to go ahead and put a tiny bit of glue right over here to get it attached. And you're probably gonna see my tongue coming out. That's what I do when I get serious. I'm gonna go ahead and put some glue on the outside, because I need to wrap it around like in a circular motion. Up here. This is the part that I'm not sure about. I'm doing this flying by the seat of my pants like everything. It's nothing new, but I have not done this before. So I'm just trying to figure out the easiest way to get this top. Okay guys, so what I'm trying to do now is get this top part covered. Let's see. I'm trying to think of what to do here. This is where y'all get to see your creative juices. I need to tear some of it. I need to cut this for one thing. It's too long. I can't work with it. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is just get it, keep it going circular. Some of y'all, I'm driving y'all crazy because I am not doing things perfect the way you would. And she said cut the yarn. She probably said that right before I cut it, but I just now saw it. And listen. Hold on. Gotta quit talking because I gotta concentrate on what I'm doing. Okay. I've basically just put this in a knot. Basically, it's exactly what I did. And I'm just gonna glue it on here because I'm covering it anyway with my greenery. So it doesn't have to be perfect, which even doesn't have to be perfect anyway. I just need it to lay down up here and look okay because I'm going to be using it. I'm going to show y'all where I'm going to be using it too. Use these scissors before I don't get my... This is what you get when you haven't done anything. When you haven't done this, it's just all in your head. Then you get on here actually doing it and you're like, oops, I don't really know how to do this. So you just kind of play with it the best you can. And you get a top that looks something like this. And yeah, it's not perfect. But I'll hide it and I'll mush it down and all that kind of stuff. Okay, so then this is my part that's going on the top of my carrot. So here's the deal. Here's what I'm going to do. I want to make it a little shorter. So I'm going to cut it. It cuts super easy. Because these are, I mean, this cuts with my kids' scissors. So I am making it shorter. So it's going to be fluffier and shorter. And I'm putting it all together like this. And then I'm just literally going to push it down in there. And then I'm going to take some glue. Glue around in there to where it stays. Duty cannot get out. Dang, I'm having a little bit of a hard time right here. I figured out why my son says dang all the time, because I do. And I'm like, quit saying that. And then I realized I say it a lot, and that's exactly where he gets it. Well, what do y'all think? What do y'all think about my carrot? I think it turned out really cute. And I will mess around with this, and I'll get it down, and I may even add some other little pieces. And I know one thing I'm going to add is some burlap and some raffia, and I am actually going to do like a little bow right here because I think that's going to be super cute just to add a little bow. And then I've got another one. I'm going to do another one, and I have this pretty piece right here. How gorgeous is this piece? I have this piece that I got from TJ Maxx for $9.99. I got it, I don't know, a few months ago, and I put balls and random stuff in it. And I'm going to lay it in here, and then I'm going to lay the other one right there, and then I might even add some different moss balls or something in there. But I think it turned out really cute. Y'all saw the imperfections. Y'all can see the imperfections of the top of my carrot. Listen, there ain't nothing perfect about this, but this is an adorable little carrot. And I'll go back, like I said, and kind of fix some of the parts that are messed up. But all in all, you cannot beat this for the price. This is something I'm also going to put on the blog because I think it's really cute and I'd like for it to be pinned on Pinterest and stuff. I just think it's a creative way to make a decoration for your home. So be sure to share this video if you know anybody who would enjoy this. This is a big rabbit. This is just a really cute spring decor. So go back and watch the whole video. I shared what I used for each and every part of this, and you can check it out. So anyway, I will be sure to share this with y'all once I get the little bow on there because I think that's going to set it off. So thank y'all for joining me, and I hope y'all have a really great day.